Hey guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you would subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I have my Boxycharm by Ipsy. So if you want to go ahead and see what I got in my box, let's just get on into it. Alright, so if you don't know anything about Boxycharm, it is $30 a month plus a $1.99 handling fee, where you get 5 full-size beauty items or skincare based on your profile, and you get to make 3 choices on the 1st through the 3rd of the month. You do always get a pamphlet that is garbage, in my whole opinion. The front should tell you the theme of the month, which this month is Glow Off This Winter. Glow off with confidence all season long with this oh so luxe skincare, shimmery makeup, and the joy of sharing beauty and creating memories with those you love most. Hate that. I'm very bah humbug. I don't like Christmas. And it's November. Why do we always skip Thanksgiving? I don't want to think about Christmas in November. Maybe, I hate that. So then the inside doesn't tell you really anything about your box. It just gives you like tips and tricks. It kind of tells you who the icon box creator was going to be if you got the icon box. I don't get the icon box, so I don't care. Gives you tips for a fabulous Thanksgiving. It does show some things that could be in it, but which it usually doesn't, to be honest. That's pretty cool. It's still telling you on the back about their advent calendar, which I'm not getting, because no thank you. It's telling you about their limited edition mystery bags. They've got a Buxom holiday bundle, a Fenty Beauty holiday bundle. I don't know if those are still available, but it tells you about that. Their Black Friday deal is going to be from the November 18th through November 30th. And they will also be having a Cyber Week sale from December 1st through December 8th. And it says if you want to know about it first, sign up for text alerts and emails. But it does not say you have to be a member for that specifically. So if you're not a member, check out and see if like that could still be a thing for you. So, just saying. Because I know there's a lot of people who aren't necessarily a member but still want to shop the deals. Hello, my son. Do you want to be in the video? Oh. Oh. Oh, it's been a minute. Oh, say hi. Say hello. Oh, he doesn't want to say hi. Let me put him down. That is Blazemere, if you've never seen him before. My big boy who left floofs everywhere. But also, if you don't know about Boxycharm, you should be getting a value of up to $200. So we're going to start with the 2 products that they picked for me. The Power Picks, as they call them. So the first one is the Shayna B Miami. This is the lipstick in the shade Hibiscus Island. So this retails for $20, and it is a creamy pink shade with full coverage color that also delivers unmatched hydration that lasts and lasts. It feels nice, like the packaging, though it's plastic, does feel nice. That is what it looks like. Ooh, smells like chocolate. We do have a tiny little nick in the lipstick. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, but it's not the end of the world. I don't care. Let's swatchy swatch. Ooh, that is creamy. I like the color of it. I don't mind getting a lipstick. I like Shayna B Miami products. I like the little flamingos that come into a heart. I will say when I looked up on her website, she does not sell lipsticks, so this is probably a very old product. Ipsy's pretty good at doing that. But the packaging feels kind of heavy, even though it's plastic. It feels nice. Smells like chocolate. It's very creamy. I like the color. I'm not mad at getting a bullet lipstick. And to be honest, now, again, I don't know if it's me turning 30. Oh, Blazemere hairs. They're going to be everywhere now. Let me get my powder brush. They are everywhere. I like bullet lipsticks more than liquid lipsticks. I don't care if they come off. I don't care if they transfer. I like this. So, we have that. Next, my other power pick that I'm very iffy on. This is from OPV Beauty. And this is their OPV Beauty Skin Gold Primer. And this retails for $35. And it says that it's basically liquid gold. A featherweight consistency that features specks of shimmery gold color that brings a warm bronze glow to the skin. It fills in creases to minimize large pores and create a perfect base whether you wear it alone or follow it up with makeup. So this is what the primer itself looks like. I don't know. It's $35. I don't know if I want a warm bronze glow to the skin. Like, I like that it fills in creases, it minimizes large pores to create a perfect base. I like that. But these, like, bronzy primers, that's not something I need. Like, the bronzing drops, that's never been something that I wanted. Do not need that. My foundations match my skin tone. I do not get tan. I do not need bronzing drops. So, and to me, like, this is orange. This is not gold. It smells like vitamin C. I don't think I'm going to pump this out, to be honest with you, and I'm so sorry. But that retails for $35. The lipstick right there. So those are my two power picks. Next, we're getting into my choice items, and we have things to talk about. So we'll start with the one that I'm most excited. And this is from Dermalectives, and I'll keep that. I'll put that over there. And this is the Apple Cider Toning Spray. This thing is so heavy. And this retails for $75, which is why I picked it. And it's also a toner spray. I go through toners like crazy. I use a toner every night. And the toner that I'm working on, I don't have any backup toners. I didn't really want anything in the choice category that this was in. And I saw that this was really expensive and that it was a toner. So I went with this. Because normally I don't pick skincare. But it says that this essential toner clears away oil and impurities, leaving your face refreshed and soothed. With glycolic acid to smooth fine lines, provitamin B5 for hydration, and apple juice for a burst of antioxidants. This formula is like a mini spa day in a bottle. So this is what it looks like. I really don't get a scent, but that was a really fine mist. I will have to report back at some point. Avoid eye contact, so make sure you close your eyes when you spray it. But I'm very excited to give this a try. I'm about just under halfway, like over halfway done with my current toner that I am enjoying. So it'll be probably another month or two. It'll probably be right after the new year that I'll start using this, but very excited. So that was $75. And the two next things we have issues with. But I've already contacted Ipsy and I will explain after. So we'll go with the less issue or more issue depending on how you look at it. So I was supposed to be getting the Galactic Luminous Face Powder in the shade Fair, which I will leave a photo of right here. That was $29, and it was supposed to be a weightless powder that gives you fresh, dewy glow without any of the heaviness. A buildable coverage with velvety finish that blurs imperfections and leaves your skin with a luminous and airbrushed finish. That did not come in my box. They sent me this. They sent me the Volition overnight retinol serum with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. This is what showed up in my box. Now, this retails for $72. So should I be complaining? No, but I can't use retinol. I've even tried just using it once a week. Like, I can't use it. My skin reacts to retinol. I have to use, like, Boxycharm. I have to use that, like, retinol alternatives, like, that are more for sensitive skin. Like, I have rosacea, I have acne-prone skin, and things like that. Retinol is just way too harsh on me. So, like, I even looked it up. Like, everything else about this serum, I want. And I want to use it so bad. But I can't. So this will be listed on my Mercari because I literally just can't use this. But yeah, they sent me the wrong item. And this is a really nice serum, but I can't use it. So I did already contact Ipsy. They are sending me my Galactic powder. They apologized. It was a whole thing because I had to also contact them about the next item. We'll get into that. They're resending me my powder and the next item. So I've already done that. But yeah, this is what I got sent instead. So it is what it is. Things happen. Make sure you contact Ipsy immediately. Take a photo of your items, use the Ipsy chat bot, and contact them. They're usually really good about it. Every once in a while, you'll get a crappy person who does your ticket and they just offer you points. I always recommend doing the survey afterwards and properly rating the person. So the next item is the correct item. It's the iconic London Baked Highlighter in the shade Universal. It retails for $29, and this gets you glowy and luminous in an instant without powdery or glittery looks. It's made with jojoba oils and pearlescent pigments for a smooth formula that will become your makeup hero. Oh, God. Fuck. Yeah, she shattered. And now it's all over my desk. Which sucks. Because I really wanted this. Let me just get that back in there. And let me clean this up. Okay, I think that's the problem with having a white desk. I think we're good now. Let me see if I can get you a swatch with what came. Oh, that's a big swatch. With what came broken. So there she is. And it's very pretty. And I really hope the one that they're sending me does not come shattered. Because it's a baked product. That's the problem. And, like, it is what it is. But yeah, that baby is beyond repairable. So let me grab out my other two items so they're not covered in highlighter. And those are garbage. So the actual box value, not including this because this isn't my proper product, is $188, which is absolutely fantastic. Because normally that's not the price of my boxes, which this really did a number, and I'm very happy. Overall, I'm really happy with my box when I get my proper items. Hopefully they come correct. Because this is the only thing that, like, I'm really not going to use. Once my proper items come, as long as they come intact, which I will leave in a comment on the video when they get here, if they came intact, as long as everything's working. So this I'll probably put up on my Mercari, and so will this. So if these are items you want, check there for those. But I also got 2 points products that came in my box because I had some points lying around. So I got the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Mascara because I have no mascara backups. So we can open this because my mascara is about done. This is what the wand looks like. Not a bad wand. I've heard really good things about this mascara. So this is in Jet Black. So there's that guy. And then I just got a little primer guy. This is from Farrah, and it's the Smooth Focus Face Primer. Because I've been looking for just like a hydrating, smoothing face primer. Ooh. So it's clear. You're not going to be able to see it. Oh, it's like a silicone-y smoothing primer. It's giving like the Smashbox Photo Focus. That's not what I thought this was going to be, but you know, it's fine. It'll do its job of like a little pore filling, but at least it's just a little tiny mini. I'm not too worried about that. But overall, I'm really happy with my Boxycharm. Like I said, I'll leave it in a pinned comment when my items arrive, how they arrived. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. What did you get in your Boxycharm? Did we make the same choices? I'd love to know. If you got the highlighter, did yours come broken? Let me know. Otherwise, I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.